CRA has recently completed a pilot project of auditing independent contractors, a portion of which were IT contractors. In the past, the CRA looked at the relationship between the contractor and the staffing agency. We now understand that CRA is looking at the relationship between the contractor and the end client. This adds a new dimension to the relationship, and in performing these audits, some of the factors CRA look at include control over the manner in which the work is completed, chance of profit, risk of loss, and financial risk, ownership of tools and equipment necessary to provide the services, the degree to which the individual is integrated into the business to which they are providing services, and the right to hire workers or assistants. By looking at these factors, CRA is trying to determine whether, if it were not for the existence of the corporation, the individual would reasonably be regarded as an officer or employee of the entity to which the services were provided. From a CRA perspective, there is no one factor that will sway their decision as to whether or not you are operating a personal service business. So you need to think like a business person to be considered one, and the question you should ask yourself when faced with business decisions is, what would any other business do? You should not be influenced by what you would do as an employee. This means you should work towards setting your own work schedule. Where possible, hire employees or other contractors. Set the methodology by which you do your work. Own and use the tools necessary to provide services to your clients. Do not act like an employee or attend employee functions unless you've paid to attend. Have professional advisors assist you in setting up your company, doing your books and records, and filing your taxes, and ensure appropriate insurance protection is in place which covers off the services you provide. So, if you think like a business person and run your business like any other business runs theirs, and if you do not act like an employee with an expectation of employee rights, that will go a long way towards supporting your independence and staying away from the personal service business pitfalls.